Okay everybody, and today I'm gonna show you my Droid pack. I just got it yesterday. Well, I'm gonna show you some of its features of this one. This one could shoot missiles, the red things. It's like an airstrike unit, you know? Wait a second, let me get my missiles. One more left. They're right there. Okay. And let me reload. And the wheels are movable. That's the cool part. So if the wheels are movable, then you could make it look like and I came up with this part to make it look like a airplane. Airplane turbo. Oh yeah, let me get it to regular. And the missiles in the back isn't really like an airstrike unit, but you can move them around. So let me show you the next one. Wait a second. Let me put these back in order. And the next one, I finished it, but it came out pretty cool. Ta-da! And this one doesn't really do anything, but he does have an antenna. He has a plasma cannon and all that to destroy. And yeah, that just fell. That just fell. So then I'm gonna show you my. Now I'm gonna show you. Wait a second. I'm gonna get. My Lego mini base. As you can see, to the inside you could see a shock trooper red, shock trooper commander. He's in the computer typing in. Here is like a seat right here. On the top there's a machine gunner, which is a shock trooper, and a commander pistol. Well, it's kind of like a Desert Eagle. Oh crap, my tear fell. But no, it's a Desert Eagle. And okay, that's pretty much it. And I put a little sign in the back, like a soda machine or something, with a corner. Like, you see that? It's like a tube corner to put in sticks. And yep, that's about it. Cartoon Sam, and see you next time.